Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
Sure. AnneMarie Kennedy, and I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Okay. And where did you volunteer?
At a clinic in Shela, in Quetzaltenango, Guatemala.
Perfect. And what were your main tasks at the project?
My friend and I worked at the family planning clinic, and we also worked in the lab where we were drawing blood.
Okay. And what was your experience like?
It was really nice. A lot of the people who worked there were really nice and wanted us to get a lot of interaction with the patients, which was helpful. We learned a lot. We got to practice our Spanish.
Good. And what was your accommodation like?
We lived in a house where we shared a bedroom, and we had our own bed, and we had 3 really good meals a day, and we had anything that we needed at our disposal.
Did you take, you did take Spanish classes.
Yes.
How was that?
I really liked the Spanish classes. They were a little intense because we were here for 2 weeks, so they were 4 hours a day, but the professors were really nice and had a lot of interesting stories and made us laugh, and the time passed by fast.
And how was the support and the coordination from Abroaderview in the United States and also from the coordinators on location?
In the U.S., the support was actually pretty good for the week up to our trip. They told us all our contact information and everything that we'd be doing, pretty much our basic itinerary. The only thing that I would have changed is getting the donation request from where we were going to be volunteering a little bit earlier, because I would have liked to try to get some of those donations. But then while we were here, our coordinator was totally available all the time and answered any questions we had and also gave us advice on day-to-day life here.
And what's your favorite memory of the trip?
My favorite memory was being able to talk to all the different people, whether it be our host mom or our professors or the people we were working with, basically because they all had unique stories that were either funny or sad or just really interesting. And it was nice to be able to talk to a lot of different people.
Okay, and would you recommend this program to future volunteers?
I definitely would. It's a program that you have to take advantage of and make the best yourself. So if you're someone who wants to really just dive in and get to know a different culture and get to know yourself, I would definitely recommend it.
Any specific tip for coming to Shela?
For coming to Shela, prepare for the weather. It's hot in the day and a little bit colder at night, and you definitely have to have a pretty good understanding of Spanish because they are very nice and inviting, but it is all in Spanish.
All right, well, thank you very much.
Thanks.